Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Android Studio development tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS through our mobile app. Okay, so for SMS, we are not going to use implicit intent, because we are not going to use a new activity for SMS. Directly your app will manage the SMS sending mechanism and it will automatically send the SMS. For example, if you are developing a women's safety app, okay, so if someone is in danger and she wants to send her location to her parents or guardians, so what she'll do is she'll simply click on a button, okay, help button. So if the help button is clicked, automatically the SMS will be sent. This is the functionality that we want to implement. In this case, there should be no another app interface. Click on the help button, your app should be able to send the SMS, and for this purpose we are going to write down the code in this tutorial. So let's begin. So I have added a project and I have already designed it. We have used linear layout vertical. I have added 2 edit text. I have given the IDs to these edit text. Till now, I guess this must be clear. If you are having any doubt in this, please go through the earlier videos. Okay. So the ID of the first edit text is number, where we are asking the number to which we have to send the SMS. The ID of the second edit text is message. It is the edit text where user is going to type the message that he wants to send, SMS content, and the third is button send SMS. We have given it ID as SMS. So this is the designing part. Now in the coding part, I have already created the objects of button, edit text, 2 objects of edit text, 1 object of button. We have initialized them. These objects are created above onCreate and initialized inside the onCreate method. Now here we have to add the click event of send button. Means when user will click on the send button, the message that user has typed should be sent to the number that user has entered. So we will write down the click event of send button, send dot set on click listener new space capital O, enter. Okay. Yes. Now what should happen? So first of all, whatever the number user has typed should be accepted. So we will create a string variable n equals to number dot get text dot toString, and we will store the message as well. So string m equals to message dot get text dot toString. So my number and now my message are stored in n and m variable. You can apply the validations. So if n dot equals blank means user has not entered the contact number. So we will set number dot set error, please enter contact number. Okay. Else if message is equals to blank means user has not typed any message, so we cannot send a blank SMS. So in that case we will set an error to this message, set error, please type a message to send. Now if both the cases are true means user has typed the number as well as user has typed the message, so in this case SMS should be sent. So else. Now here we have to write the code for sending the SMS. Okay, so how to send an SMS? For this purpose we will use SMS manager class. Now when I type SMS manager, there are 2 options of SMS manager. Okay, I will select the second one. You have to select android.telephony.gsm, okay, because we have to send a GSM message. Though it is crossed, you have to select, go for it. SMS equals to SMS manager dot get default. Okay. So we have to get the default SMS manager of the Android mobile, your mobile phone. Next we have to send the SMS. So SMS dot send data message. Send data message. Here first parameter is the number to which you have to send the SMS. So we have to send the SMS on number n. Okay, our number is stored in the variable n. Next parameter is null. Next, you have to give the message. So, our message is stored in variable m. After that, you have to give null parameter twice. Now, these null parameters are nothing but the intents and other default parameters. By default, if you give null, your SMS will be sent. However, if you want to attach some additional data with your SMS, if you want to attach some intents with your SMS, for example, if you put a link, whenever user will click on that link, your app should open. So, those are some features of SMS which are not used widely nowadays. So, we are just passing their null. Now, it is showing us error. Let us check what is the error. Expected 6 arguments, given 5. Okay. I am so sorry, we have to use the function as send text message, right, because we are going to send text message. Okay. So, send text message, number, null, message, null, null, twice. Okay. So, there will be 3 times null, and first one will be the number, second one will be the message. This is the code. Now, as we are sending SMS, again we are requesting for an permission, sensitive permission. So, we will have to go to the manifest file and we have to denote that permission in users permission, send SMS, end of users permission tag above the application tag. Now, my design is ready, code is ready, as well as I have given the permission. Let us run this app and check the output. So, Gradle build running, installing. Here I will enter a number and message. Okay. You can give input type, I haven't. Send SMS, app will close because you haven't given the permissions from the settings. So, we will go to the settings, app send notifications, all apps, select your name and name of your app, allow this SMS permission. Okay. And here you can print a message after this, like you can print a toast message, SMS send successfully, so that you will get to know whether your SMS is sent or not. So, SMS sent successfully. Even if you, after allowing the permission, if you are updating your app, you do not need to allow it again. Okay, if you have allowed the permissions once in the setting, no matter how many updates you make to the same app, the permissions will be allowed. Okay. So, yeah. Now let us type a number on which I want to send a message, and the message is hello, send SMS. Now, I am getting the message SMS sent successfully. However, from emulator your SMS will not be sent. If you are using a real time device, then your message will be sent to the given number. Okay. So, that is it for today. See you again in the next video. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.